Hey guys, imagine that, an oil leak on a 3.6 Pentastar. Now that's not the shocking part about this job. The shocking part about this job is they actually came back to get it done. Yeah, I wrote this up about 2 weeks ago and they're here. Now, the deal is they in fact had a couple of stipulations, guys. Yes, stipulation, I don't mind. I'm JT the car guy. One of those stipulations was, can I get it done today about 2 o'clock? It is 12:20 right now. And the other stipulation, get this, is that I put on an aluminum cooler. Yeah, guys, we now have that option. All that bad, wrong chatter going around out there that Mopar now sell these and they got rid of they old. No, they didn't get rid of nothing, guys. This is merely nothing but an additional option. Okay, look at this. It's not even built. Do you know how much money you can make by buying these in bulk unbuilt? Companies utilize affiliate marketing as well. So our customers now have their options. I'm starting to wonder if I said no, I can't get an aluminum, probably would have took it somewhere else. Or if I said no, I can't get it done by 2, she probably would have took it somewhere else. However, we can accomplish both of those feats. Now the parts, okay guys, remember these things, you have to make sure you use the right correct O-ring. Okay, look at the year of the vehicle you're working on. This O-ring right here matters. Now I got these seals on here. The chatter out there is that use Mopar seals and it will never come back. So I'm starting to wonder if these executives out there that work for Dorman, why ain't y'all listening to the chatter in the comment section? Okay, I heard the chatter about make sure you go in with Mopar. Look at that, Mopar sensors. I'm going in with Mopar sensors. However, I'm limited it to these seals. I can't just go up there and give me Mopar seals. No, Dorman, if y'all fix the chatter issue, maybe, just maybe, this could be an alright cooler. But y'all know me, I have my preference, okay, and I've explained 1,000 times why my preference exists. Now let me say this again, use the best cooler that you feel is best for you and or your customer. In this case, I got a request to use such a cooler and a timely manner. I have to get this done. So let me stop chattering all this talking. Guys, it's 12:22. This car be done probably about 1 o'clock. I got work to do. Let's get out of here. Hey guys, this was slowing me down. Okay, yes, I got to clean all this out. When you don't drain the coolant, guys, you may get a lot of coolant in here. So if you can drain the coolant, it's just that I don't drain the coolant. You know what that means? I must. It is imperative that I change the oil. Yeah, suck it all out, baby. Yeah, I always change the oil on every cooler job I do. All right, guys, how much time I got? Where we at? Where we freaking at? Oh, I'm good, guys. Remember, I got to go clean this thing out. Yeah, I don't play this, all right? But this was slowing me down right here, cleaning up my mess. I'm okay with that, all right? Let's get it. Hey, guys, technically, I'm done. Y'all hear it running? Yes, I had to change the oil, make sure the coolant is full and bled, all right? Now, what time is it? Oh, 1:34. Technically, I got 30 more minutes. So you know what I'm going to do? I already filled my jug up, guys. You know where I'm headed. Yep. Yeah, baby, we going to the detail department. I don't play this. Y'all know my motto, man. Oh, this whole engine gonna look. See all that? No, sorry, Bob. All of that's gonna be gone. We about to steam clean this old engine. Somebody look down there. They will not suspect that oil cooler is leaking again. You know why? Because I clean up behind myself. Yeah, I'm cleaning this whole damn engine up. Guys, it's not hurting a thing, all right? Please don't start whining like little bitches about steam cleaning engine. It's not going to hurt a thing. All right, let me go to detail department. All right, guys, let's get it. I don't play that, man. JT the freaking car guy. Ooh, all down up in there. Ooh, I don't want no signs of oil leaks nowhere down in there. The next guy to change the oil will not suspect that there's any kind of oil leaks. I don't like these leaves over here. Get out of here. This is JT the car guy repair. I don't leave none of this stuff left around. All right, guys, let me go steam clean this. Go test drive this thing. All you Dorman executives out there, y'all might want to look into that. Everybody seems to think this cooler would be top notch if it had some good seals on the bottom. I don't agree with them, but hey, that's y'all call to make, guys. I gotta go, man. I'm about to go test drive this car and I'm done. Hey guys, I'm back from the test drive now. I have the oil pressure screen pulled up. Y'all see that? I'm at 34 PSI because I am idling. Now remember, the oil pump is a dual stage oil pump. So as I rev up on the accelerator, the pressure may go up. Let's take a look. Yeah. So remember, guys, I installed a brand new oil pressure sensor as well as an oil temp sensor. Those are Mopar, all right? I don't know what Dorman is going to do about those seals that everybody is complaining about. However, this test drive turned out all right. Now, let me go take a look at one more thing. Yeah, y'all know me, baby. I don't play these freaking games at all. Whoa, ain't she pretty? Yeah, guys, squeaky clean engine. There's no signs of oil leaks nowhere down there. All right, I'm done, guys. I met my quota. Everything's fine. This customer should be happy. To me, that's all that matters.